So now I'm just by the beach and there are people here. People out here chilling and stuff. They got kayaks, but kayaks are all chained up. Yeah, I'm being interrupted, guys, on the vlog. I'm being asked a question, which is pretty much a good question. The question I'm being asked is, what activities do they have over here? Quite frankly, like none. I don't think there's an activity here. The kayaks, I guess, they're owned by people who own their properties, so of course they have the keys. But I guess if you're here with a property owner who does own a kayak, then maybe you get the key for that. I don't know. But like, if you can look straight across over there, there's an island. It's almost like Maiden Key. You guys know Maiden Key in Jamaica, or Lime Key, or wherever it is, like where they have parties and stuff. You know, something like that. So I see a yacht over there right here. I'm hearing on my telecom someone saying both of them. Over. Is that correct? Black. Roger. Yeah, so it's over there. You guys look here, like, it's just so cool even here. It's like I have a private beach. Like, some really good things could happen here, guys, with the girl. Some really good things could happen here. But yeah, you can see a few yachts and stuff. Well, not a few yachts, but there's one there. There's one somewhere over there. Just a quick telltale. Over here used to be a hotel 8 years ago, I heard. But of course, with any business, you don't just build things and expect that people will just come, you know. So I guess it got ran down and stuff, but it's a really nice property. And that's the thing with Jamaica here. We have so many hotels here, so you have to always be like reinventing yourself. And things have gotten a lot different too. There's Airbnb, so you don't need to go to a hotel. You can just rent someone's place and enjoy yourself. So, there goes a yacht over. This is the outer part of the property. Got the beach out there. Look at this water. Remember when I was in Grand Bahia? The water wasn't this clear. And trust me, when I was inside that water, like there was like a lot of stones and grit in the water. It was horrible. I left my slippers like out here. The sea obviously came for it. Thank you. Oh, good. I love you. I love this. So this is where I'm gonna lay up, guys. I'm gonna lay up right here. Not because I don't want to be around the people, but like because here it's out of the sun and I'm already black already, so like I don't need any extra vitamin D, you know what I mean? So get rid of that sand and make my little tent right here, camping out. All I need is a little fire right now. We can go kumbaya, throw some marshmallows and stuff. Actually, that was supposed to be like a picture, but I accidentally pressed the record button, so why not just start recording? But yeah, I got already and stuff, so I'm about to hit the beach. I see some people over there parasailing. I've never done that before. It's Sunday. So you can see now that I'm just laying down a little bit. I got company. I got 2 persons here. Just kind of cool because I didn't really want to be here by myself. So I'm kind of happy that we have 2 other persons here to celebrate this beauty with. Apart from you guys, of course, you know, you guys always appreciate the scenery and appreciate that you guys appreciate that I'm appreciating you appreciating that. You know? Remember my tongue? Main base, over. Copy. Roger. Block out done. Alright, I'm about to set up my tripod and stuff. I'm about to set my tripod up so I can, you know, try to get some videos for you guys, alright? They're gonna be all over the world. Alright guys, about to go in this water real quick. People out there having fun. So like, they're fish in the water, I hear. No big deal, right? We eat steamed fish.
Rated X, that means you're extra. Extraordinary.
Okay. I think so far, this is one of my favorite beaches. Why? Because it's kind of very like secluded. You know, it's kind of sectioned off. You got a nice little coral looking things, whatever, the reef over there. I like that. The water is clear, the water is nice and warm, and it just got a lot of stuff happening to it. And like over there, you got people over there hanging out too. And I can see a fish in the water, and below you can see like the reef or And as you guys know, that's like where the fish kind of hang out, they kind of hide in there, you know. I hope I'm not creeping anyone out because I like nature. If you guys might realize, like, I like a lot of stuff. I like I like nature, I like wild parties, I like cars, I think it's very important in life to be multidimensional and not to be like, oh, I only like cornflakes and I eat nothing else. Kind of boring. But if that's you, man, that's you. I like my flakes frosted too. Yes, I found the fish, guys. I'm still searching for those fish. Eh? What's your name?
It's rated X. That means you're extra, extra,
The fish are back. I'm gonna try to get it close to you. They look kind of like leopard looking or even looking.
Stay awfully quiet.
I think I got some shots for you guys there. I try to be like really quiet so I didn't really disturb them. Because they're trying to do their thing. Get a little time. So I'm about to go up there, probably try to get something on my Snapchat real quick. Yo, this thing ain't easy. Look at these rocks. These rocks are sharp as hell. Yeah, vlog. These two things are just walking in the park having sex. Regular day. Yup, it's an orgy around here. Getting right this up. Who else? Getting right this up. Crazy. Look where I took my little no self. Trying to go across to this. Ooh, I see crabs. I see crabs, good. There you go. Got the lyrics on the whole thing. Interesting. Oh yeah, a lot of crabs. There's one right there. Good. You have a lobster? Oh, we said to carry over the island. Oh. What there over there? Let me read my shit real quick. I'm gonna go see what this guy's saying. Maybe we can get over to the island. I don't know. I like an adventure now. This is what I like. Then cook over there, sir. Oh.
So what they do over there?
Party island, man, party.
Okay.
Yeah, eat fish and lobster. And, you know, they have tomorrow, you know?
Okay.
Alright, if we there tomorrow, you can give me a check when you say something where we like.
Alright. Respect.
Alright.
Pretty dope.
Yeah, alright, tomorrow we see what you got.
Like over there's a party island. They said like $1,000 round trip, so 5 bills go, 5 bills come back, and they have grilled lobster. They said, or whatever. So that's pretty interesting. What I do maybe is I don't know. Whenever I come back another time, I'll definitely check that out because that seems really interesting, right? But not today. There's a party. They have a party to get to at like 5 o'clock, and it's like 1, and I kind of want to relax and sleep a little bit, so I don't know. Yo, my foot bottom them are bun me. Like the asphalt is so hot. Like I kind of wonder how, like, let me not even say it. I was about to say like I don't know how madman, you know, homeless people walk barefooted on this, but I know it's an overgrowth of callus, so that's why they can do it. So right now I'm pretty much just back chilling at this little water hole thing. You guys can see real quick. Yeah, that's what I'm doing right now. Yeah, but as I was saying, over there, got a party island or something like that. I didn't really plan for that. I'm gonna go over there right now. That'd be really cool, but it wasn't in my plan, so maybe not right now, because I gotta go partying like in the next couple hours. So I'm just gonna lay out over there real quick, and then probably get ready for the party. So that's for me the pre right now today. But this is a party island, but I'm not really hearing no music over there. You see me, unless they might talk about bun weed after the party, no. As you understand, I've been here for the past maybe 5 minutes trying to get some Instagram photos, doing some selfies. Yo, big up to all the people who do their own Instagram photos. That shit is really hard. Yo. It's like you're trying to look at yourself, try to get the right shot. It is not working out for me, man. I'm not that photogenic, unfortunately. I'm just still here chilling right now, just looking out. Hopefully trying to see if I can find the perfect pose for that Instagram photo. I don't know. But what I found interesting was that I found these I don't know what they call these, but I don't know. I might be wrong, you guys can educate me real quick. But it's somewhere here. Camera's not picking it up, but if you look, you'll see like some spikes somewhere there. There's like 2 of them. And they're obviously moving. Yeah, they're obviously moving, so I know they're alive. And I don't know if that's a thing, they call it sea eggs or something, where when you step on it, like your foot gets swollen. You guys gotta watch out for that in the water, because I really hear it's not really something to play with. It's no joke. How far which side they come from? Manchester. That's how we kind of grew up a little bit, you know. So, well, St. Elizabeth. Because I go Monroe, isn't it? But not close to Manchester. Yeah.
All I